Hello, welcome to Microsoft channel. In today's video, I'm going to help you solve the check disk not available for raw drive issue on your Windows computer. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumb up if this video is helpful for you.
After I plug an external disk to a Windows computer, I see a message telling me that I need to format the drive before I can use it. Of course, I do not click Format Disk, but to cancel it, I go to File Explorer and find the disk to open it. The error message shows up again and then says that my disk contains an unrecognized file system. I go to search box and type in CMD and click Run as Administrator, trying to fix the issue using CHKDSK command. However, it reports that the drive is raw and CHKDSK is not available for raw drive. Raw file system indicates a state of your hard drive which has no unknown or corrupted file system. You can check the file system in Disk Management through Computer Management under Storage. There are two ways to solve the problem, but solutions probably will cause data loss. So I recommend you use professional data recovery software like Microsoft Data Recovery to save your important files first. You can recover 1 GB data for free. The first solution is to convert RAW to NTFS using command. Stay in the command prompt window. Type in the command line as shown on screen. Remember to replace the letter E with your disk letter. If you want to convert your disk to FAT32, you change the NTFS to FAT32. Then hit the Enter key to run the command. But this solution is not always working. If it reports convert is not available for raw drive, the only method is to reformat the drive. Please note that reformatting will delete all files. Remember to recover files from the raw drive first. You have multiple ways to reformat a disk in Windows. I will show you the easiest way. Open File Explorer and click the disk at the sidebar. The message asking formatting will pop up again, and you can select Format Disk this time. Or you can right-click the disk and select Format in the menu. Select a file system and give the disk a name. Remember to take Quick Format. Then click Save and OK to confirm.
See, it's easy. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video can help you solve the problem on your Windows computer. If the video is helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. I will see you very soon with more how-to tutorials and reviews and tips and tricks. See ya!